Yeah, some stuff out here. Add that sucker on there. There we go. There we go. Now, something's leaking. Oh. Good thing I caught that. I don't know what is going on. What are we gonna do? See that? Got a vacuum, clean that area. It's so dirty back there. It's deep, but you get the drift. All right, we're doing it. So now, go ahead and try to pull this off. I'm left-handed, so I'm trying to my best. Okay, there we go. Oh, thank you, my beautifulness. Socks are wet as oh boy, that is not good. Got that out. That wasn't a problem. And it looks like we just need one more, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see here. Okay. Okay. All right. Hold on. Thought it was even. Okay. There we go. There we go. There we go. See that? These are where the suspension rods are. You see that? Yep, right there. Suspension rod, and of course suspension rod in the drum. This way? Yep. Look at on the side. Yeah. There you go. Just hold it right there. Stop it. Just hold it right there. You got it, right? It's not hurting you, right? Oh. Alright. This is what it looks like at the bottom. You see the... You're able to see. Yeah. So I'm going to replace this one. Hold on. Right there. Put that rod back in. This is what it looks like. Yeah, clean this area up. So, one of these. Same. Nope. This rod is a little longer. I think we might have a problem. The rods.
They're not the same?
No. The rods are two different size. So we have to now take them back. We have to return the rods. These are a little longer than our the rod that came in Amana, the top, right? Put them together. Yep. Off maybe a ½ inch. Maybe no, it looks like maybe an inch. So it's maybe an inch. It's the way the cookie crumbles. Man. So now, take this back, return it right back to Amazon, these rods, and get the correct size. About to measure this. You want to measure that for me from end to end? Grab that. And Let me see. Yep. Hold on. Yep. I got that in all the way to that end. If that's the, where is it stopped at? Where does
It's like 25 and 3/4.
25 3/4? You sure? Oh, hold on. That wasn't at the end. Okay, that's at the end. Now what's that?
3/8.
You sure it's 3/8? Right at the corner. Remember, you're measuring at the tip. Right? You're measuring at that tip there. Okay. Let me get here. That looks like 1/2, my friend. 25 and 1/2. You see where that half is right there? That's right at the tip. You see that? So 25 and 1/2. Here we go again. I had to rebuy the suspensions for the shower. These right here, like 26 and 1/2, but this Amana, when I measured the old suspension, it came out to be 25 and 1/2. So I gotta return these. And what was interesting is if you're going on Amazon, please don't go off looking for the model number or anything like that. I recommend you actually pulling the suspension off and verifying the size, because that's what I did. I looked for suspensions that were the same as the model number as well as the particular brand, to come up find out that they said this is compatible, but I don't see how it would be compatible considering it's almost an inch larger than the ones that I pulled off. As you can see, you can possibly see that. I don't know if you can see that. But as you can see, it's literally an inch off, right? So just an FYI. Now I can restart. Let's see here. Box of this little thing. Oh man, it's sticky. Let's see. This is tricky. Oh, look at this. Same size, but the suspension is larger. See? Let's hope that this fits. The coil piece on this is a little larger. I'm not certain if that's going to be a factor as well. We shall see. We shall see. It's sticky. I don't know what is going on. And that's my bad, because I have gloves and I should have put them on. I should know better. It's hands. Okay. Hey, Z-Mate. I need your help. Pants got caught on the washer. Got the gloves on now. So all I have to do . Push in and pull out. I think they said, yeah. There we go. All right, so we got one off. Now all I gotta do. Should have never done that. All right, I'm gonna need your assistance. I'm gonna need you to walk around for me, and then I'm gonna push this on the side, and I'm gonna need your help. doing so. Hold on. So let me see the pieces as well, as you can see. Right. Okay, so let's bend it. Oh, all right. Be careful. I want you to hold the whole thing. Okay? Yeah, it's going to go down. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Maybe you might have to lay this up. You got it right there? Is that fine? You can't? Alright. Alright, so get me something. Go over there and get me like a, well, you can hold it right here. Hold it like this real good. Yep, just hold it. Is that fine?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to take this thing. Let's see. Okay. Just push that thing up top like that. Bang. Let me see how this one looks. Okay, it's all the way up. Okay. Hold it like that. Uh-huh. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, you can put it down real quick. Okay. Try to get this thing back on track. Lightly so it doesn't really fall all the way down on you. Push this up. There we go. Hold that open for me. It's the wire. Okay, there we go. So now what we're going to do is open this pack, pull this out, this piece up in here, sit up in here like that. Okay, that's in there. And then have this piece. Let's see how this one is. Okay, there we go. So this piece. Okay. Yep. Like that. Let's take this. Make it up. Take this. Up like that. Take this piece. How was that going? 2 seconds. Let me pull that back. Let me see if it's connected. Yep. So it comes out. Mm-hmm. Like that. Okay, maybe that didn't work. Where, oh, where did you go? All right, look. Once I put that other side up, I don't got time figuring it out. Trying to do that. Okay, let's go here. Bang. Right here. There we go. There we go. Is that it right here? Is that it? Nope. Okay, that thing is on the side. It looks like this hook. It's coming in from the side. That's not right. Okay. Nope, that's not right. Okay. Mm-hmm. It has to go here. Did I turn this wrong? I think I might have turned this. So turn this around. Okay, there we go. Now, like I said, put that on the side here like this. Yep. Okay. And lock it in like that. That's to be it. Let's see. There we go. There we go. That's locked in there. Yep, bingo. Oh, I guess it wasn't locked in there. Hold on, man. Pull that up. Mm-hmm. There we go. Okay, that's it. Okay. Between that space, see, right here is the way it should go. Okay. That's all the way down there. See, I'm a little concerned about that because, okay, I don't know if you can see it. That's the way I have it in. I think that's wrong, so I'm gonna go redo it. All right. I think that's wrong because as you can see, that V's on that side, right? And then this is right here. So, and the way this thing is right is this way, right? So the V over there has to be this. And turn here. There we go. Okay. That's down, locked in. Yep. Okay. So one is a completed. I got 3 more to go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 more to go. Not too bad, not too shabby. Okay. So now let me move on over here. This next one. Pull it up, pull it out, pull it around, pull it out, pull that down. Pop this out. There we go. All right. Yeah, you got to be very careful right here. This is right here, steel. And man, if you don't have any gloves on, you can find yourself getting cut, something severe. So I recommend gloves and also taking your time. This is what the 2 pieces look like for this particular brand, Amana. And so you have to be very careful. There's other suspension rods that I've seen on Amazon that basically said that the model number as well as the brand is compatible with these particular rods, when I find out that these pieces aren't the same. So you want something that looks very similar to this, right? So we got one down, so there we go. We got another one here. Okay. I don't know what this is. We're gonna learn today. All right, so we're gonna put that back down. Yep, put that back down for me. It's the box. All right, so what we're gonna do now is pick this thing up, move it, and yep, and then move it, push it. Yep. Oh, there you go. That's all right. All righty. Be careful. All right. We got it. We got it. All right. Here we go. Wish me luck. There we go. Just push it in there like that. All right, put it back on its. Get this. Be careful. All right. Okay. There we go, buddy. Let's pull this thing back open. Uh-oh. We got Eureka. Yep. Okay. Hold that. One, two, three. All right. Now we're gonna place this over here. Okay. That. Place this side. Okay. Grab this. Turn it. All right. So grab this. Bam. I should get into the washing machine fixing business, huh? Like, man, you're not that good, bro. Calm down. Okay, so these two are all right. Okay, so now we're gonna do the third suspension. So now what we do is pull this up. Let me see. Okay, third suspension. Pull it up. Out. Pull this out. Alright, got them off. Fairly simple to get out. It's not really that difficult. You just got to work with it. They're plastic, so they're easy to deal with. Not too hard. Here we go. So before I do that, let's close this again. Yep. All right, here we go. Oh, make sure everything is in there. All right. Here you go. Hold that. Yep. Remember, hold the back. This is the bottom, not the top, okay? You don't want this thing to drop off on you. Drop on me, right? Pull it down some more. Pull it. Okay. All right. There you go. Hold this one. There you go. Now pull it down some more for me so I can see. Yep. All right. Here we go. There we go. All right. Third one. We making some headway there, brother. All right. Here we go. Place that sucker up in here. Whoop! There we go. Got it. He's in there. All right. You can close him now for me. Pull it down. Let's close it. I'm getting old, man. That's what happens. All right. So, you know what we need to do? What's next?
Open it back up.
Open what up?
This top.
That's right. The top. I don't mind this washer. We had this thing for like literally 10 years. And it's been working fine up until this point. So I can't complain. I want my money's worth out of this machine. And I'm hoping she'll work for me another 10 years, you know? There we go. She was being stubborn. Didn't want to open for no one, man. What's going on? Oh, there we go. That was simple. Oh, yeah. I like it when it's simple like that, man. All right, where's this one? Okay, so it's in the back. All right. So let me make sure. Mm-hmm. Sometimes you gotta do for self, man. You know, we called a washing machine repair place to see what they would charge us to replace these suspension rods, and let me tell you, I was quoted I believe it was like $275 or something like that, which is literally half of the cost of a brand new washer and dryer or washer. But I was like, look, you know, I'm just going to go and research this on YouTube. And, you know, I'm glad I did, because I was able to come up across several YouTubers who had the same problem I had. And it showed exactly what needed to be done. So I'm very grateful for YouTube for putting that information out there, because a lot of these technicians, these guys are untrustworthy, man. You know, they're trying to squeeze every dime out of, you know, family, man. And I got 6 people in my family, and, you know, I can't afford the prices that they're throwing out. 200, 200, 200, 200. I'm like, okay, you know, it's not right, but hey, I understand the hustle, you know, and I respect it, you know, and I respectfully decline to even go that route, you know. Consider, you know, what was really crazy is the fact that they charged me $250 just for the labor, and I had to pay for the materials myself, but I paid for this. This was nothing but like $40, right? And my time doing it. So, you know, and as you can see how quick this is taking, it doesn't take no, you know, this doesn't take like 2 and 3 hours. So for you to charge me like $275, it's like almost you're making that an hour, because it's only going to take about an hour to get this done. There's nothing really complicated about this process, other than you just removing these pieces and ensuring that they're snug. And they want to charge you an arm and a leg like they really helping you. Shame on them guys, man. Yeah, pull that up for me. And be careful with your hands. This thing. See how this one works. Then put it to the side. Okay. Go. Now I just turn this to the side. These gloves slip. You find your hand caught up in here, boy. Yeah, these gloves are slipping. Help me. We got to hold that. Yep. I don't know what's going on, man. Why this thing won't slide up? Okay, hold on. So this is the reason. All right, there we go. There we go. That's it. All right, we got that. Third completed. As you can see, took me no more than approximately 15 minutes to get this in there, figure it out. It's not really complicated. So I'm on to my last one here. Let me make sure. Okay, last one. Yeah. Okay. So now we close this again. Hold on. Let's bring that back. Yeah. Boom, boom. Okay. So now, that's what we're gonna do is push it this way. Okay. We go over there. Yeah. You got it? Ready? Hold it. Remember, not just the top. Hold that. Okay. Hold on. There. Move this up. There you go. Hold it now. All right. Up. Hold on. Push it back. Push it back. I almost forgot, man, to pull it up. I'm moving so fast. I'm trying to get this done. See if it works. So you push it back, then you push it forward, and then you wiggle it. See, I wiggle mine. There we go. There we go. Look out. You know what? I can hold it right here. Hold it. Hold it up. Yep. Bam. Take that sucker off. We don't gotta take you off, man. We can work around. Alrighty. There we go. Now, pull it back. Pull it back on. Now hold her. Pull it back. Hold it. Keep going. There you go. Up. Came on now. There you go. Man, the only one that didn't give me trouble. All right, here we go. We're up to our last one. There we go, Zimi. All right. There we go. Put her in. You always want to go, once you pull it out, go from the bottom, they say. And then we can work around it. Okay, here we go. Wiggle, wiggle. There we go. Look out. This is good. It's latched on something. That's right. There we go. Hold that open for me. Okay. Ooh, be careful. It's our last one. Put this on. Not sure. Yeah. Put this on. Okay. Last one. Here we go, Zimi. Tell me it's not a dreamy. All right, here we go. All right. Okay. All right, let me push this down. Push this down. Push this down. All right, so now all I gotta do is establish and reconnect the top. Look out, see. There we go. That top right. Boom. It's all connected. And now we get these screws right. We got screws here that we need to place back on. Look out, Zane, get out the way. Can you move out the way, please? We got to get these screws on in the back. Got my trusty drill. All right, here we go. Now, there's only 3 screws that you need to take off if you have an Amana, this particular model. There's only 3 screws that you need to take off in order to get the top off. Other than that, you don't have to take, as you can see, there's more screws, but you don't have to take them off, and that's what's so cool about this hole. All right, and I got my last piece that goes. Whew, where did this sucker go? Oh, right there. All right. Now where did that screw go? Here, you want to hold that for me? Just hold it right there. Hold it. Oh where had my little screw gone? Oh where can it be? All right, Mr. Screw. All right. It's not. It's over there. Is it by you?
No, it's not in there. One under the dryer.
No, I couldn't have. Now move. Get up, please. Move out the way. Thank you. All right. Okay. It popped somewhere. You want to go get me a paper towel real quick, please? Zimi, you were spot on, man. It popped and then it somehow made its way. Okay. Here we go. Thank you, buddy. There you go. Thank you. All right. Last screw. Here we go. Right here. Woo. Okay. Now, all we gotta do, take these hoses and connect the hoses back onto the washer. I'm gonna need your help. 2 seconds, bro. Hold this right here for me on this side. Yep, stay on this side and move closer. Yep, just hold it right there. Thank you. All right, let me pull this. All right, here we go. Now, take this, put it back in place. There you go. Walk yourself. All right, hold on. Move this over. There we go. All right. There you go. I prefer if you came with wheels. You got a smile. These type of, oh man, here we go. Okay, here we go. So now we're gonna connect. We're gonna connect the hot to the hot. Okay. The cold to the cold and the hot to the hot. Seems simple. All right. Now the next hose got to get connected. This is the hot water hose. Now, I got to open this up. This is my bottom hose. It's got to be reconnected. It's not going to be as easy as you guys think, huh? Let me get on top of this bad boy. All right. I hope that's right. Yeah, it looks right. Great. All right. Everything's complete. You want to help me up, please? I wouldn't recommend this at home. We got it. Oh, that's why. No water. There we go. There we go. No leaks so far. All right. Let me just turn this thing off. I went for 3 seconds now. Let's go. Let me get some, it's ringing out. Everything looks good. No leaks so far. Fingers crossed. But that's all you have to do when you replace the rods. It's really simple. You know, nothing really difficult. Like I said, when you're buying suspension rods, you want to make certain that they are the same size as the rods that you're trying to replace, and don't go off the brand or the model number, at least on Amazon when you're making that, if you're going on Amazon to make the purchase. These particular ones, like I said, I bought from Amazon using the brand as well as the model number, and unfortunately they came out to be an inch larger than I needed, and as you can see, the pieces themselves are different than the pieces that actually go on. So you want to be very careful and aware of what you're doing. As you can see, that piece right there is totally different from this piece here. All right, so that's just a little piece of knowledge that I learned the hard way and had to wait almost, you know, a whole week in order to get replacement. I'm hoping that this fixed the issue and we don't have a tsunami banging going on. I'm hoping that we don't have any problems. Whew. Nope, no leaks. I'm gonna wash me a little, man. All right. Throw something in there like that. Get me some bleach, cause you know I'm washing towels, baby. Gotta have that bleach. Oh yeah, that Clorox. Nothing like that Clorox, let me tell you. I've been washing so long, I don't even have to measure anything. Professional washing. Whew. I remember being in New York. We were living in, I believe it was Middle Village. We didn't have a washer and dryer, so I had to literally go to a laundromat, man, and I would do it generally at night around 11 to 1, 2 in the morning when there was hardly anybody there. And so we had to wash all our clothes during that time, and it was just such an inconvenience. So I'm really glad that I now have a house and a washer and dryer that I can, you know, literally just come downstairs and wash. So, hey, you want to go get me some towels, please? Go get all the towels. Feeling up great. No issue whatsoever. As you can see, it's filling up great. No leaks at the bottom. Woo. So if you got a Amana, this is your model, you're going to have to use the same thing or same suspension rods I had to use. And like I said, you don't want to use this particular rod. As you can see, these pieces here they're different from the pieces that I pulled off. See that? See how different that is? And I don't know if it would work. I didn't try because also Amazon, if you I noticed that if you open up the package, they're gonna charge you when you return it they're gonna charge a restocking fee. And so that's the reason why I didn't go ahead and try it out, because if it didn't work, I didn't want to pay for the restocking fee, which is, I think it's 15, maybe 20% of the purchase price, which I think is totally unfair, because how are you supposed to know whether or not these rods work or not, without actually opening the plastic? So you want to be very aware of that as well, and cognizant of that. That's definitely important. And the most important thing is, making certain you got the right size rods. Like I said, for this particular Amana, the rod that I measured was 25.5 inches long. And you want to make certain when you purchase them, they come with these pieces that connect to the rod up top. Okay? Hey! Hello?
Yeah.
I'm just going to do a small load.
Okay.
Make certain you don't have any problems.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. You also want, when you're washing, just don't throw your towels into the washer, man. Make certain you take it down and you wrap it around there, man. And then it's still not done. Let me get the rest of those towels, please. You want to also see what I do is I make certain that, I don't trust these washers, What I do is I make certain that they actually are in there. So I go in there, I wrap everything around, and then I just press down like that to get everything in that water, Yeah. Okay. Everything's sounding right. Hoping we don't have any problems. You think we won't have any problems?
I don't know.
You don't? I don't know.
I gotta see it.
Okay. It sounds right.
Yeah.
All right. As you can see, the final spin. No shaky breaky, baby. Yeah. No leaks. No shaky breaky. Yeah. Really appreciate YouTube University for giving us the knowledge to be able to complete this repair ourselves. We're so grateful and thankful. Oh yeah, final spin.